Alright, hear me out. I know I said I would do weekly format. It's already episode 2, and I'm breaking my promises. I know, hear me out. I wanted to try a quicker bi-weekly format as last week was way too long to produce for the 48 hours that I had to write, record, and edit the final thing, and it was botched. I acknowledge it. I've got to take care of my 11-month-old son that's going on a minor surgery very soon, and there are some things that we have to prepare for, so I don't have as much time as I wished I had. So we'll try this format, and please let me know what you think. So this time, it went so much smoother than last week that I consider obliterating last episodes from existence, as it is a very lengthy and uninteresting episode. Friday, I found Heartbeast's action RPG tutorial, and I went through 9 of his episodes in 2 days. I binge watched them actually. I got so much done and I'm very proud of myself. If you consider jumping into Godot, go see his tutorials. I can't stress this enough. Like I already said, I have minimal programming skills and I found it reasonable to follow. So this episode, I reproduced what I had learned in Heartbeast tutorials. I won't be going into many details about those as I will probably be repeating stuff that over 50k people already did before me. So if you want to take a look, click on the card up there to add it to your queue. As I was following the tutorials, I got interested in something HB said about 2D lights and Godot on a side note in one of his episodes, and I wanted to see what the engine's capabilities are on that regard. And I went online to find Coding with Ben's short tutorials about how to create a simple effect, and I was stunned by the result. This inspired me to throw a quick concept I had in mind for the last 5 or 4 years or so. One in many that I have scribbled right and left in my ADHD brain. So I created this kinematic body 2D, added a sprite that I found in the free pack on Kenny's website, applied a bean collision mask, and then I created a light 2D node to which I applied a sprite on the light cone. I found out there was a weird quirk with this node that does not display light against a pure black background, which beats the whole purpose of light. I will try to apply it as a mask instead later, but for now, I changed the background color to gray and strapped the light as a flashlight on the gun and threw in a very basic movement and rotation towards the mouse. I really like the effect and will definitely be trying something along those lines when I have more knowledge. I then messed around in a couple of projects to try to see what I remembered from Heartbeast's tutorial and quickly realized I understood the concepts, but didn't remember how to apply them. I guess this is common and means I need practice. Other than that, this is what happened during these last days. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next one.